Hi everybody! In this video I would like to show you some ways to organize your documents in Circularo using a folder and subfolder structure and some other useful tools that will help you to keep yourself organized. So if you go to the folders section of the menu, you will see some folders that are already created by Circularo for you, and you can choose to use them, or you can create your own folders by using the create folder button. And your new folder will appear here. Also, any documents that you upload into Circularo and don't assign a folder to them will appear here in this root folder, so to speak. To move a document to a folder, you simply select it and either drag and drop it over there, or use the move to button and select the folder. When uploading a document, you can choose its destination folder right here. So we will select our new NDAs folder and upload it in there. You can also freely move entire folders between each other. So for example, we select our NDA folder and move it to our business folder, and then it will look like this. If you need to delete a folder, simply click delete and it will be moved to trash, including all the documents it contains. From there, when you go to the trash section of the menu, you will see all your deleted items, be it folders, subfolders or documents, and they will basically live there forever, unless you click the empty trash now button. That will delete everything in the trash section permanently. Another useful way to organize your documents is by giving them a star, which will move them to the start section of the menu, which is basically your favorite document section. Give it a star right here, and then you will find it in the start section. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.